Title options. 1. Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026. The complete 1-minute guide. 2. How to Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026. Step by step for beginners. 3. I tested Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026 for 30 days. Here's what happened. Hook. 0-100 to 0-30. Camera on face. Energetic. Most people completely miss this about Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026. I spent 3 months figuring it out the hard way. And today I'm going to save you that time. Cut to screen recording or B-roll. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026. And more importantly, the one mistake that kills results for 90% of people who try this. Intro. 0-30 to 130. Quick background. I've been in the Python programming tutorials space for several years. I've tested a lot of approaches. And what I'm sharing today is what actually works. Not theory. On screen. What you'll learn today, list. Here's what we're covering. First, the foundation. What most tutorials skip. Second, the actual step-by-step process. And third, how to avoid the common mistakes. Let's get into it. Main content. Section 1. The foundation. B-roll. Hands-on keyboard, relevant visual. The most important thing to understand about Fast Guide to Python Programming Tutorials in 2026 is continue with your expertise here. 7 to 8 minutes of content. Call to action. Last 60 seconds. If you got value from this, hitting subscribe costs you nothing and it tells me to keep making content like this. I'm also putting together a more detailed guide on this. If you want to be notified when that drops, subscribe and hit the bell. Next video I'm covering related topic. I'll link it right here. End screen. While cards show. Check out that video next. It covers exactly what to do after you've mastered today's technique. I'll see you there.